Hello, YouTube fans! I found a weird thing that happened today while I was playing KSP. I just got a new... Yesterday I started on making a new engine for KSP, like the part engine kind. And the bottom part to the engine was dancing with all the frost I added. So I'm going to show you today about this funky glitch. Just wait for it to load. And then I'll show you everything I added to the engine. And just to tell you, I just copied and pasted the LT30, I think it was. Whatever one was the gimbaling engine. So my engine does have gimbaling in it that I added. I left gimbaling. I just changed the frost and the temp. It didn't work, so I lowered those. What? I'm recording. Don't worry. It's just my sister. About all the time I'm being quiet. I'm just giving you a time to relax while waiting for this to load on my brother's laptop. Just to tell you, this is my brother's laptop's a Windows 7. I'm not recording using my Windows 8 today because I don't have a recorder yet. Because all the recorders cost money. And only... Danny! How dare you say a cuss word? Wow, I'm recording. Okay. Sorry about that. My sister said something she wasn't supposed to. Once I find out how to make it so it says beep over the cuss words, then until then you just don't listen to everybody when they say cusses. And hopefully YouTube doesn't flag this as you need to be a teenager or something. If it does, then just ignore it. It's just a simple cuss word my sister said on accident. So let's continue waiting. Sorry, I don't have anything to talk about. All I know is this should work. And this should show the dancing engine. Don't worry, it's just really slow because of the webcam, which is my only recorder, which is not compatible with Windows 8 yet. But I'm sure they might make it compatibility for Windows 8. Or I could just find a way to get it to work on my Windows 8. And I always run it in compatibility mode for Windows 7. So, but that never works. Because it's Microsoft. Okay, it's almost at the part where it loads in my engine. It's loaded in my engine. So the loading worked, just like I said. It's just, here we go, Kerbal Space Program, one of my most favorite games. I'm using latest version 0.20.2.186. Latest version plus second patch to the version. I'm not going to use Infinite Field because, yes, I do have Match Gem. Here we go, VAB. Okay, here we go. Let's load the test for let's load my autosave, which is also my test, is also the one I'm doing to test. This is my rocket engine. I'm going to give you 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. That's all the time I get. I'm going to let you see that engine. Now let's see if this thing goes crazy again. It's my test. It's just a test, though. It's only a test. So, but I do have a satellite I'm planning to launch. In KSP with no cheats, I'm going to do a satellite launch. And if this engine ever gets successful, I'm going to use it. Put my throttle to full. SAS on. See? That's my engine. It even dances with no thrust. How weird is that? Let's see if it ever manages to fly. Nope. It just finally managed to stop that. Ah, dang. Whoa, it almost didn't load Earth. I hope we still have the sun. Wow. Not just my gun, in fact, but Earth is. But the solar system might have. Let's hope not. You've not. Why? This laptop's a Windows 7. Windows 7 is the worstest laptop in the house right at the moment. Okay. So this is Earth's solar system. Going curb. This is the solar system viewing from Kerbal. I hope all these orbits don't go wacky soon. It's only 4 years in this data. And this is how it looks. 4 years in data. This is one of the fastest planets. It's Eve. The slowest planet is Elu. It goes the size of a fast orbiting rock. Is going almost the speed of a rocket. Its orbit goes so slow that it's actually changed. That it's for some reason then seems to be not doing. Well, never mind. Wow, I never knew Jewel was lined up with a Kerbal. It used to have a rocket millions of meters, 100 billions of meters away. But of course I used cheats for that. How would I ever do it without cheats? Of course I wouldn't. So, that's the dancing glitch with my rocket. The only ship we have here is mine. Whoa, the sun seems kinda unstable. And there you go. That's the glitch of my rocket I created. Okay. There we go. That's a funky glitch I found with my engine. Hope you guys like. If I get at least 100 to 150 or 125, actually just 125. If I get 125 views, likes, I'm gonna allow another video of KSP. I've never made a famous video, and also I request at least 10 subscribers from this vid. Else this won't be, else I won't make another KSP vid. And I'll continue with my Roblox ones. So there you go. My KSP glitch.